Welcome this video conveys a long shed in a house turn a long shed into a live house is a create and cost effect a way to house ownership or build a guest house, realty unit or trend house, shed or throwing basic structure buy with plants and smart upgrade then can be transforming into beautiful functional home. Comprehensive gas cover for dropping to finally touch plants and promax before bring your shed to house convince it to choose your load build ultimate shed are often classic fit as not in structure so promax zone change main requested to make theme load Dalons. Your need zoom approve to the load allowing